16 million views. Do you know you can do this in a much more smoother way? Using Filmora and still get just as many views. Hey everyone, Alex here. Let's see how to take advantage of AI and blow your social media platform. Let's get started. How about going on and select the stock media? And under AI media, you will see the video inspiration. Here is a huge library of AI templates that can generate you a lot of views on social media. But hey, let's just focus on today's lesson. Go on the search bar there and then type something like this. Now, once you have your template selected, you can see this option right here is requiring you to upload your image, which means the image of your own car. Now, in case you just have a video and you don't have an image exactly, what you just have to do is to drag down your video of your own car into the timeline and then capture a screenshot. And then you can use that one for this purpose. Right here, customize the resolution and then go ahead to submit. When you look on to the AI Creations tasks, you realize that the car transformation is in progress. And there you go, my dear friend. Now that's not all that can make you 1 million views these days by AI. You can also make yourself a tiny character that gets lifted by a mysterious hand from like another dimension. You can make your head inflates like a balloon, drifting upwards with your emotions. Oh wow, you can also float in the midair, as if gravity forgot about you. These are just a few of many AI templates in Filmora that you can use only one click. And with a little bit of creativity, you can actually generate a lot of views on the internet. And my dear friend, if you haven't downloaded Filmora yet, go ahead and check the link in the description of this video below. And subscribe for more AI tips and for more Filmora videos. Until I meet you in the next one, peace.
CapCut stumbles trying to race, but Filmora strides are full of grace. With AI cutouts and keyframe finesse, CapCut's confusion feels like a mess.